Now, if we're talking about African kids who are absolutely dominating the internet right now, then you have to give credit to GPS. And if you're wondering who GPS is, I'm talking about Ghost Hlubi, Peanuts, and Sasha. These boys are on another level right now. Their numbers keep growing every single day, and every time one of them uploads, people are ready to watch. That's not something that happens by accident. It takes consistency, creativity, and a lot of hard work. One thing I really respect about them is that they understand the power of working together. Instead of competing against each other, they've built a team where everyone wins. If you go and check their individual channels, they are all doing well. That's what happens when you surround yourself with people who push you to become better. They motivate each other, they challenge each other, and it shows in the content they create. Honestly, I'd even go as far as saying they're some of the coolest kids in Africa right now. Just look at the numbers. Ghost Hlubi is sitting on 1.6 million subscribers, Peanuts has around 776,000 subscribers, and Sasha is on about 670,000 subscribers. Those are incredible numbers, especially considering how young they are. Now, lately there's been a lot of noise online with people saying that Ghost Hlubi is using Peanuts for views. What? Personally, I don't see it that way. From where I'm standing, it looks like the collaboration benefits everyone involved. They are all growing, they are all gaining new audiences, and they are all helping each other reach bigger milestones. I still remember when Peanuts first met Ghost Hlubi. He was genuinely excited, and he even said it was his dream to work with Ghost Hlubi. That wasn't something people made up, it came from him. In fact, I discovered Peanuts through Ghost Hlubi, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. At the same time, there are probably plenty of Ghost Hlubi fans who discovered Sasha, and Sasha fans who ended up following the other two. That's how collaborations are supposed to work. Everybody gains something from it. So instead of trying to create unnecessary drama or turn friends against each other, I think people should just appreciate what these boys are building. From the outside, they seem focused on the bigger picture, and the results speak for themselves. Of course, not everyone is going to agree, and that's perfectly fine. But one thing nobody can deny is that these boys are putting in the work. You can see the hunger they have to succeed. Every video, every collaboration, and every upload shows that they are serious about their dreams. It feels like they are constantly encouraging each other to level up, and that's exactly why they keep winning. At the end of the day, success is always louder than the rumors. As long as Ghost Hlubi, Peanuts, and Sasha keep supporting each other and staying consistent, I honestly believe this is just the beginning for GPS.